Hi guys and dolls, and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys can tell by the title of this video, I am doing a Dollycool Jewels Halloween unboxing video. Claire from Dollycool, who runs Dollycool, sent me a couple of her Halloween goodies from this year's collection. She let me choose what I wanted from her range and she sent it for me for free. No, I'm not being paid, or this video is not sponsored at all. I just have to clarify that. Like, you guys know, if you've been watching me for years, I love Dollycool. I've supported her for many years and I love all of her stuff, and I usually buy a lot of her stuff, but I was so excited when she asked if I wanted some, and I said yes, of course. And so I thought it'd be a great idea to sit here and actually get a real view of what it looks like in real life, like do a little unboxing on camera for you guys. Like, this is not the whole range in here, this is just bits that I really wanted from her range. So let's just see what it looks like. I have split the box open, as you can see, but I have not looked inside, and I'm so excited to see what they look like in real life. So let's open it. So I'm just gonna lift the box up, and everything always comes bubble wrapped, and I can see there's a little note on top here for me. So what I'm gonna do is just unwrap everything and show you guys. Right, so I have now taken everything out of their wrapping, and they all look so amazing. I cannot wait to show you guys. So the note said from Claire, it said, "Hello, hope you like everything, enjoy wearing them, Claire." And she actually designed this paper, by the way. She has like little notebooks as well you can buy on her store, which I have one, like the swallow one with letters. It looks so cool and I use it all the time. So this is just one of her notepads you can get online, but this is a little note that she sent me. Super cute, love it. And now I'm going to show you some of the new goodies that are here for the Halloween range. She does Halloween really well. Like, it's actually insane how good she does Halloween. Let me show you the first thing I can see. And one of the first things I really was drawn to, and it's so adorable as well. And it is this really adorable, hopefully it will focus, there we go. This cute tiny little bat brooch, and how adorable is he? He's so cute. And I love Dollycool's like packaging as well. They are so great. They would all come like properly wrapped as well, just so you guys know. And they all come with like little notes to take care of the brooches as well. It tells you how to take care of them. But when I saw this little guy, I was so obsessed, and I think he's adorable. So I got him, and I actually got the matching earrings, which are freaking adorable. These are the matching earrings. As you can see, they're dangle earrings, and they're like outlined with yellow, and they just look so cute. Like, I love these, and I'm gonna be obsessed with them for a while, I think. So now on to the last three items that I chose, and I really love them so much. When I saw them, I was freaking out because Claire always comes out with amazing designs, as you all know. And the first one is this one. Look how cute this cat pumpkin brooch is, and you can see how big the brooch is compared to my hand as well. Like, how big is that? And it's so adorable. And the detail on there as well, you've got the eyes, little whiskers, and the little cute ears you can see at the top there. So cute. And then this one is huge, and I really loved this one when I saw it. And it is this one. It's like a burning down haunted house, and it's got like bats all around it as well, with the purple around the edge, which I thought gave it a bit of colour, and it looks really cute. And the detail on this, I don't know if you guys can see in the windows on the haunted house, you can see like little figures of like creepy people as well, which I think is really great. And that's like a nice touch to see that there are some ghouls still in there, even though it's still burning down. I think that's really cute. And it's massive, like that is literally the size of my hand. And the last brooch that I picked out from her collection, there is a few more, and so I'll link everything Dollycool Jewels related down below. So if you want to follow her on Instagram and stuff like that, all her links will be in the description bar down below. But this is the last brooch that I really loved, and it kind of reminded me of Snow White a little bit. You guys will see why. But I just really loved it so much, and I think this is going to be my favourite brooch out of the whole collection, or should I say is my favourite brooch out of the whole collection. It's so adorable, and it is this one. You guys can see now why I think about Snow White, because of the apple, and I thought it was really cool. And I love the hand as well. I just wish I had my nails done to match it. But I absolutely love it. It's so cute. And it, like I said, her brooches are really, really huge, and they're really not expensive either. I just think it's a really, really nice brooch, and the quality as well. They're made out of like wood. You can see the thickness of them, and they're really, really great. Absolutely love it. So cute. Anyways, guys and dolls, that's it. That's all the bits I've got from Dollycool Jewels collection. As I said, I'll link everything in the description bar down below. And I'm going to disclaim again, this video is not sponsored. Claire is not paying me for this video. I told her that I will do a video because she's sending me some goodies. And you guys know I generally love Dollycool. So yeah, all of their links will be down below in the description bar. And also, if you want to follow me on social media, my Instagram will be down below as well, and so will my Facebook fan page. Definitely check me out on there, and my email will be down below if you're a photographer or anything. Hit me up, so I'm looking to do some more photo shoots towards next year, so definitely email me if you're interested in working with me. And yes, anyway guys and dolls, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys and girls really enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to comment in the comments and subscribe only if you guys want to, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Remember to smile, stay positive, and have a very good day or night wherever you are in the world, and I will speak to you soon. Bye and